Just imagine starting your day here. A wide, open balcony, attached directly to your living room, calm, breezy, and private. Perfect for your morning tea, some plants, or just unwinding after work. Now welcome to your future home, a brand new luxury 2 BHK flat in Mahadevapura, Bangalore. This flat is semi-furnished and ready to move in. All you have to do is bring your luggage. The living space is well lit, spacious, and beautifully designed, great for relaxing or hosting guests. The kitchen comes with modern fittings, slab space, and enough storage for daily use. You get two comfortable bedrooms, ideal for a small family or even flatmates. Large windows, ventilation, and a calm environment, exactly what a home should feel like. Bathrooms are clean, Western style, and fitted with modern sanitary ware. Now let's talk about the rent. It's $40,000 per month, plus maintenance, and the deposit is 1.5 lakhs. Quite reasonable for a premium flat like this in a prime area like Mahadevapura. As for amenities, everything's in place for your comfort and safety. 24/7 power backup, 24/7 water supply, security guard, full CCTV coverage in common areas. Location-wise, this flat is a win. You're just minutes away from BAGAMANE Tech Park, VR Mall and PHONIX Market City, Metro Station, Railway Station, more mega hypermarket, reputed schools and top colleges. So if you're looking for a clean, modern and peaceful 2 BHK in Mahadevapura, this one's ready and it's waiting for you. Only limited flats are available, so don't miss the chance. Contact 7975288078 to book your visit today.